In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add JavaScript in Squarespace. Whether you're enhancing your website's functionality or adding custom functionality, the ability to incorporate JavaScript into your Squarespace site can open up a whole world of possibilities, enabling you to create a more engaging and interactive experience for your visitors. So, let's dive in and walk through this process together. To begin, you'll want to navigate over to Squarespace. If you're not already on the platform, fire up your web browser and head to the Squarespace homepage. Look around until you see the option to get started. This will prompt you to log in to your account if you haven't done so already. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the dashboard where all the magic happens. From the dashboard, the first thing you need to do is find the option to edit your site. So, go ahead and click on Edit Site if you wish to begin making changes. Now that you're in the site editor, you'll want to navigate to the specific page where you want your JavaScript code to appear. Choose the page carefully, considering the purpose of the script you plan to add. When you found that page, it's time to add a new block. In the Squarespace editor, you'll notice a small +Add Block button. Go ahead and click on that, and then look for the Code block. Once you click Code, a new block will appear right on your page. This is where your JavaScript magic will happen. Double-click on the space within the code block you added, and the coding field will become visible, giving you a place to input your custom code. Next, look for the small arrow next to the HTML label. Clicking this will reveal a drop-down menu with several coding languages available. From there, go ahead and select JavaScript. This ensures your code block is set to the right language, allowing your script to run flawlessly on the page. Now, it's time to add your JavaScript. Carefully type or paste the code you've prepared into the coding field. Make sure everything is correct, checking for any errors or omissions in what you've written. Happy with your code? Excellent. Now, simply click outside of the coding field to exit the editor. Before you wrap up, there's one last crucial step. Don't forget to hit Save. This secures the changes you've made to your site. Without hitting Save, you risk losing all your hard work, and nobody wants that. And there you have it. Simple steps to integrate JavaScript into your Squarespace site. Follow this guide, and you'll be able to enhance your website with custom scripts whenever you see fit. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!